Today we're going to look at a feature inside Zoom called Whiteboards. This is really helpful when you're conducting a meeting, you want to keep your audience engaged, you have a collaborative project that you're working on, and you need input from several people. By clicking on this icon at the bottom, it gives me an option to bring in an existing whiteboard or to create a new whiteboard. We're going to look at new for now. We'll look at some of the features within Whiteboard and how does this work. Off to the left you can see several icons. This is a pen, for example, that I could select. Now I can draw on the page. I also have an eraser. If I click, it will take it away. I can draw shapes. These are really nice for creating a whiteboard that could be used by the group. And you can see by clicking on the corner and dragging, I can resize. I also have an option of turning this. And if I click this little circle here, it's going to basically build a flowchart for me. By clicking, it gives me another box and it connects it with an arrow. And then just to show this feature with curving or turning this around, I can click these curved arrows and drag, and you can see the arrow connecting the boxes moves with what I'm doing so that it stays connected. And this is really helpful in building a flowchart. Another feature you can use is a sticky note. Sticky notes come in handy when people are collaborating. They can select a color and click on the screen. Again, you can resize. There's already a cursor in here so that you can start typing away with your text, but you also have the option of just adding text directly. I can, by clicking this text icon and then click where I want the text to appear, you see a text box and I'm able to type in my text. And this one also has the ability to turn as well if I wanted my text to spin around. So those are just some of the handy features within creating a new whiteboard. And one other thing to show you is the template feature. If I didn't want to build one of these out, I could select pre-made templates to use. And you see a ton of categories. I'm going to select one just for us to look at. A mad, sad, glad retrospective. So I selected this template. I'm going to use the template. It fills in for me. You actually see it overlap to what we were just drawing or playing around with. But a couple of things down here at the bottom. You have a zoom function that'll zoom into the area. So if I wanted to zoom in and really focus on one of these, I can use the hand or grab and pull that to the center of my screen, zoom in some more. And then I could actually toggle a mini map so it would show me with this highlighted box where I am in relation to the whole layout. So as I were to drag around, you can actually see that box move. So it's pretty cool, pretty neat feature to use when you're creating or using templates. And there you go. I hope these tips and tricks come in handy for you. I hope your next meeting is a success. Thanks for listening.